Hey there! In today's video, we're going to delve into an essential topic for landlords: the role of Alpine Property Management in maximizing the value of your property investment. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the game, you'll want to stick around for this valuable information. Let's get started. Maximizing property value is at the core of every landlord's goal. Alpine Property Management plays a crucial role in achieving this. How, you ask? Well, let's break it down. First and foremost, one of the key ways we help landlords maximize property value is through effective tenant screening. We carefully vet potential tenants, ensuring that they are responsible, financially stable, and a good fit for your property. This reduces the risk of late payments, property damage, and costly turnovers. Once you have quality tenants in place, we focus on maintaining your property in top-notch condition. Regular property inspections and proactive maintenance are part of our routine. By identifying and addressing issues early, we prevent small problems from becoming costly repairs. A well-maintained property not only retains its value, but can also appreciate over time. Effective rent collection is another vital aspect of property management. We ensure that rent is collected promptly and consistently, ensuring a steady income stream for you as a landlord. This financial stability is essential for maximizing property value and your overall return on investment. Tenant satisfaction plays a significant role in property value. Happy tenants are more likely to stay longer, reducing vacancy rates and turnover costs. Alpine Property Management prioritizes tenant communication and responsiveness to their needs, creating a positive living experience that encourages long-term tenancy. We also keep a close eye on the local real estate market and rental trends. This allows us to adjust rental rates strategically, ensuring that you're getting the most out of your investment property. Our goal is to help you achieve competitive rental income while keeping your property occupied. Financial transparency is essential. We provide detailed financial reports, including income and expense statements, to keep you informed about your property's financial performance. These reports help you make data-driven decisions and adjust your investment strategy as needed. Lastly, but certainly not least, our commitment to property value extends to managing tenant turnover efficiently. When a tenant does move out, we handle the turnover process swiftly, from finding a new tenant to addressing any necessary repairs or updates. Minimizing vacancy periods is key to preserving your property's income potential. Now let's take a moment to talk about something special. If you have a property you're looking to sell quickly, we can help. Our team specializes in buying houses in any condition and situation. Whether you're a landlord looking to sell an investment property or a homeowner in need of a fast sale, reach out to us for a hassle-free solution. Alpine Property Management plays a vital role in maximizing the value of your investment property. Through effective tenant screening, proactive maintenance, rent collection, tenant satisfaction, strategic rental rate adjustments, financial transparency, and efficient tenant turnover, we work tirelessly to ensure your property is a valuable asset that appreciates over time. Efficient communication, effective communication is a cornerstone of our property management service. We maintain an open line of communication with both you, the landlord, and your tenants. This ensures that any concerns or maintenance requests are addressed promptly. Our responsiveness creates a positive tenant experience, contributing to tenant satisfaction and longer lease durations. Strategic marketing. When it comes to marketing your property, we employ strategic techniques to attract high-quality tenants quickly. Our marketing efforts include professional property listings, high-quality photos, and wide exposure across various rental platforms. This approach minimizes vacancy periods and keeps your rental income flowing. Staying up to date with the ever-evolving landlord-tenant laws and regulations is vital. We handle all aspects of legal compliance, ensuring that your property management practices align with local and state laws. This minimizes the risk of legal disputes that could affect your property's value. We conduct regular property evaluations to assess its condition and identify areas for improvement. By proactively addressing maintenance and upgrades, we help maintain and enhance your property's value over time. Over the long term, property appreciation can significantly contribute to your investment's value. Alpine Property Management's strategic approach to property management aims to protect and increase your property's value, resulting in a more lucrative investment in the future. As we wrap up, if you're a landlord seeking assistance in managing your property and maximizing its value, Alpine Property Management is here to help. Our comprehensive property management services are designed to alleviate the burden of day-to-day property management tasks, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of property ownership without the stress. And don't forget to support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others who may benefit from property management insights, and subscribing for more practical tips and advice on property investment and management. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you maximize the value of your investment property with Alpine Property Management by your side.